Perimeter, the distance around a shape. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. In the case of a square, start at one vertex, parentheses, corner, and parentheses, and proceed along the side, turning at each vertex, and continuing until arriving back at the vertex from which we started. In the case of a circle, we start at a point and continue around the circle until we arrive back at the point from which we started. Note that circle perimeter is called circumference. Finding perimeter adds up each length of the shape. Perimeter is a length or distance and therefore has units to the power 1. Antonyms: area, volume. Related words: perimeter of a circle, parentheses, circumference, and parentheses. Perimeter of a shape: units, length, distance.